the difference between finished and done. Specifically, the phrases just finished work and just getting work done. Okay, so we have our two words here, finished and done. Finished and done almost mean the exact same thing. There are a few differences. Just finished work. I finished work recently. I finished work 5 seconds ago. I finished work 3 minutes ago. I'm ready to go home. Just getting work done. I'm working now. I'm not finished. I'm working now. I have tasks to do. Here are my tasks. Here is the work I need to do. I need to create plans, email clients, go to a meeting. I finished the first task. I only have 2 tasks left. I'm getting work done. And then once I get my work done, I can say, I just finished work. When I complete my tasks, my work will be finished. I just finished work. I'm going home now. We could say it like this, just finishing work or just getting work done. These mean the same thing, just completing work. All of these end with ing. It means I'm doing it now. It's continuous. Instead of just finished work, you can say just got work done, just completed work. These end in ed, except for got, because it's irregular, but that's another topic. Ed means already done, and ing means doing it now. While you can say just finished work or just getting work done, the grammar is actually incorrect because there's no subject. So if you're writing this, or if you want to write with proper grammar or speak with proper grammar, you would say, I just finished work. I am just getting work done. What's the difference between finished and done? Is there a difference if you can use both in the same way? Yes, the difference has to do with food. Turkey, hamburger, or meat. The turkey is done. The turkey is cooked. The turkey is ready. These all mean the same thing. I am finished. I am stuffed. I am full. So I've had enough to eat. So done is used to talk about how the food was cooked. If you said the food is finished, that would mean that the turkey is gone. That's why we say the food is done cooking. The food is ready. It's ready to be eaten. That's going to be it for finished and done. Thanks for checking out my video. If you'd like to know what this thing is, click on the image on the screen now. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care.